Hi everybody, happy Monday. It is officially the first weekday that we are not sitting in school together. And so instead of doing my usual read aloud, I thought that we would play a game that I play with my class to help us remember our high frequency words or our sight words. And this game is called What's Missing? And there's a couple of different steps to this game. So I'll explain it first, but I'm also going to give the directions in the description below. But first, the teacher, myself, or if you're playing at home with your own whiteboard, that would be awesome. The teacher writes down a sight word on the whiteboard, like this, and I would hide it from my class. And when I'm in my class with 25 students, I have them hold the word in their brain for at least 3 seconds before we're allowed to shout it out. And so we would think about the word, and then they say what the word is. We spell it together out loud, and then you do something called writing it on either the carpet. If we're sitting crisscross applesauce on the carpet, they'll write it on the ground, or you can write it on your forearm right here. You can also write it on a flat surface like a table, or wherever you're sitting. The point is to use your finger, and it's a very kinesthetic movement. We do it quickly, it doesn't have to be perfect. Which is why we don't actually write the word, it's just writing the word. After that, I'm going to take the word. I'm going to erase one of them. You won't know which one it is. And then I will flip the board around again and think in your mind what letter is missing. And then say the letter that's missing. We spell the word again, and then we repeat it, writing it on your arm, and then you can go on to another word. So, are you ready to play What's Missing? Awesome. Okay, here is the first word. Okay, ready? What's the word? Me, that's right. M-E, me. Go ahead and write the word on your arm or on the table. M-E, me. Great. Now find out what's missing. What's missing? M. M-E, me. Great. Write it on the carpet or your arm and say it out loud. All right, we're gonna go a little bit faster because these are the words that we learned at the beginning of the year up until about Christmas break. So these should be the words that you know. So we're gonna go a little bit quicker. Ready? All right. What's the word? Spell it. Now write it on the carpet or your table or your arm. Awesome. What's missing? E is missing. Go ahead and spell it. Now write it on the rug. Great. New word. Okay, ready? What's the word? Like. L-I-K-E. Like. Now you spell it. Write it on the carpet or the table. Great. What's missing? I is missing. Go ahead and spell it. L-I-K-E. Like. I'm going to trick you and do another letter. Tell me what's missing. L-I-K-E. Like. Good. So now go ahead and write it on the carpet or the rug. I hope you were saying it out loud. If you weren't, you should be. Let's do a new word. Read the word my and spell it. M-Y, my. What's missing? Did you say this? That's not my. How do you spell my? M-Y, my. Good. Go ahead and write it on the rug or your arm. M-Y, my. What's missing? Everything is missing. So go ahead and spell the word for me. M-Y, my. Write it on the rug. M-Y, my. Awesome. New word. What's the word? Two. Spell it. T-O. Two. Write it on the rug. T-O. Two. What's missing? O is missing. Go ahead and spell it. T-O. Two. Now write it on the rug. T-O. Two. New word. Okay, what's the word? At. A-T. At. Write it on the rug. A-T. At. What's missing? T is missing. Go ahead and spell it. A-T. At. And write it. A-T. At. Nice. Here's another one. What's the word? Go. G-O. Go. Write it. G-O. Go. What's missing? It's the O. Go ahead and spell it again. G-O. Go. And write it on your arm. G-O. Go. Where'd my eraser go? Hey! Oh well. Here's another one. All right. Next word. What's the word? Is. Spell it. I-S. Is. What's missing? Oh, what's missing is my eraser. Here it is. What's missing? Is this what was missing? No, it's not I-Z. It's what? I-S. Is. Nice. Is. I-S. Is. Go ahead and spell it on the rug. I-S. Is. New word. Ooh, I like this one. You'll remember this one. What's the word? Look. That's right. L-O-O-K. Look. For those of you in my class, I remember this word because when I see this word, it kind of looks like there's these two eyes looking at me. Look! It looks like two eyes, right? So the two O's. Anyway, so that's how Miss Jennikin remembers it. How do you spell look? L-O-O-K. Look. Go ahead and write it on your arm. L-O-O-K. Look. Now you tell me what's missing. O is missing. You're right. L-O-O-K. Look. Go ahead and spell it on the rug or the table. Look. Awesome. Let's do a couple more, and then I think we'll move on. If you'd like to go to the next video, it'll be part 2. Okay, let's do a few more. Ooh, here's a good one. Oops. Okay, what's the word? Up. U-P, up. Go ahead and write it on your arm or the table. U-P, up. Nice. What's missing? What's the second sound that's missing? P. U-P, up. Go ahead and write it on the rug or your arm. Make sure you're getting the direction correct. Awesome. All right, last one for now. What's the word? For. F-O-R. For. Go ahead and spell it. F-O-R. For. Write it on your arm. F-O-R. For. What's missing? O is missing. Go ahead and spell it. F-O-R. For. And write it on the rug or on your arm. F-O-R. For. All right, we're gonna do a speed round this time. Are you ready? Instead of just doing the what's missing, I'm gonna write a word, I'm gonna show it to you, and then you're gonna say the word as fast as you can, okay? These are all the words that we have done before. Ready? Here we go. What's the word? Am. A-M, am. Okay, here's the next one. What's the word? Is. I-S, is. Nice. Next one. What's the word? Like. Spell it. L-I-K-E, like. One. What's the word? The. T-H-E. The. You can remember it's the because the first two letters say th, right? We learned that TH says th or th, and in this case it says th. Okay, another word. What is it? Two. T-O-2. What's the word? Me. M-E. Me. Maybe if it helps, you can point to yourself when you read it. M-E. Me. Couple more on our speed round. What's the word? Go. G-O. Go. Nice. What's the word? It. That's right. I-T. It. This one's a little bit close to that last word. What's the word? In. I-N. In. What's the word? My. M-Y. My. What's the word? If you said like, look again. What's the word? Look. L-O-O-K. Look. Last one. What's the word? For. F-O-R. For. Well, that's the end of part 1 of What's Missing. I hope you enjoyed, and the part 2 should be up a little bit later today. See you later.